Whether you're giving medication, trimming nails, or cleaning a wound, it all starts with one thing: how you handle your cat. But even the gentlest cat can panic when they're scared or in pain, and that's when things go wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to safely pick up your cat, how to restrain them for treatment, and when it makes sense to use a restraining collar. Let's dive in and find out. Part 1. Picking up a cat. As a general rule, it's best to approach a cat from above and slightly behind, rather than face to face. A direct confrontation can make the cat feel threatened or defensive. For cooperative cats, approach calmly and let them see your hands. Slide one hand under the chest, just behind the front legs. Use the other hand to support the hindquarters. Lift gently and hold them close to your body, with all four paws supported. That's usually all it takes. For apprehensive cats, you can try gently lifting them by the scruff of the neck. Most cats under 1 year will go limp, just like they did when carried by their mother. But scruffing doesn't always work with older cats, so always support the back feet and body with your other hand. For nervous or uncooperative cats, move with more purpose. Use a thick towel as a barrier between you and their claws. Wrap it firmly but gently around their body before lifting. Keep your motions smooth and confident. Hesitation makes cats more anxious. And always remember, if the cat starts thrashing or panicking, don't grip harder. Lower them gently, give them space, and try again later or get help. Part 2. Restraining for treatment. Here are 4 common ways to restrain a cat safely during treatment. Use the method that best fits the situation and your cat's temperament. Method 1. Scruffing. Scruffing involves gently grasping the loose skin at the back of the cat's neck. This can momentarily immobilize some cats, especially kittens, but many adult cats find it stressful, so use only for brief procedures or emergencies. Method 2. Cat restraint bag. A cat restraint bag is a zippered restraint sack with openings for the head and limbs, allowing safe access while limiting movement. Place the cat gently inside, zip up the bag, and use the designated openings for treatment like injections or nail trimming. It works best for cats that tolerate confinement but dislike being held. Method 3. Towel wrap. The towel wrap, or cat burrito, involves wrapping the cat snugly in a towel with only the treatment area exposed. Lay the towel flat, place the cat in the center, and fold each side over the body, tucking the ends underneath. This is a safe, low-stress method for most routine care. Method 4. Leg tie. For cats that won't stay still, you can gently tie the front legs together and the back legs together using soft gauze or bandaging material. This prevents kicking and scratching during short procedures, especially wound cleaning or injections. Never tie too tightly, and never leave the cat unattended in this position. Part 3. Restraining collars. In some cases, physical restraint isn't enough, and that's where restraining collars come in. The most common type is the Elizabethan collar, or e-collar, named after the ruffled neckwear from Queen Elizabeth I's era. It prevents a cat from scratching ears or biting wounds. Modern versions are softer and more flexible, making them more comfortable than the old hard plastic ones. A newer alternative is the BiteNot collar, a stiff, high-necked band that prevents a cat from turning its head to bite. Unlike the e-collar, it doesn't block peripheral vision or get caught on furniture. Whatever type you use, make sure the collar fits snugly, but not tight. You should be able to fit 2 fingers between the collar and the neck. Keep in mind, many cats won't eat or drink while wearing a collar. If that happens, remove it temporarily under supervision. And always keep a collared cat indoors. Good handling isn't just about control, it's about trust. When your cat feels secure in your hands, everything else becomes easier, whether it's grooming, treatment, or just a quick health check. Use the method that works best for your cat's temperament and take your time. It gets easier with practice. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed the visuals, why not create one yourself? Check out CatCuterCam on the App Store. By just speaking or typing, you can add stunning effects on camera preview. Plus, you can claim free credits every day to keep creating effects as much as you want. Links below. Have fun!